everyone, welcome back to my channel. This channel is the go-to place if you have insomnia and want to get the sleep that you need. In today's video, we're going to talk about that weird feeling that you have when you're on the couch and you're really sleepy, but then as soon as you lie in bed, you are wide awake. This is something that most people, if not everyone with insomnia experiences. And if you want to know what is happening and how to fix it, stay tuned. The first thing I want you to understand about why you feel wide awake as soon as you lie down in bed is because your brain is trying to keep you safe. If you've watched any of my previous videos, I've talked about how your brain identifies sleeplessness as a threat. Whenever you try to fear something, or not trying, but anytime you actually are fearing something and trying to escape it, in this case it'd be with supplements and meditations and hypnosis and CBD and sleeping pills and anything else out there, your brain thinks that there is danger out there and sleeplessness becomes a danger, a threat. And your brain is obviously confused, but that is what's happening and your fight or flight system is being activated. So what happens is, let's say you're on the couch, you're watching a TV show and you're actually starting to nod off and fall asleep. But then when you go to bed, you're wide awake. Why is this happening? This is because as soon as you're awake on the bed or awake on the couch and you're moving to the bed, you start to have these subconscious or could be conscious thoughts of, what if I don't fall asleep? I might not fall asleep. I hope I fall asleep. Maybe I'm not going to fall asleep. And you have all these worries and fears that you're not going to sleep. And that's going to trigger that threat system, your fight or flight system. Your brain is sensing danger is coming up. So your fight or flight system's up, your hyperarousal's up, and you can't sleep. By the way, if you're finding this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe so that you can keep receiving more in-depth content about how to overcome insomnia. So moving on to what to do if you find yourself wide awake as soon as you go to bed. Well, if your brain is identifying sleeplessness as a threat because of all the fear and trying to escape it, what you should do is do the opposite of that fear and trying to escape sleeplessness. So if you're wide awake at night, instead of fearing it and trying to escape it and doing everything, if instead you can teach your brain that you are safe by maybe turning the night into something you enjoy. You can't control sleep and make yourself sleep in the moment, but what you can do is use that opportunity to teach your brain that you are safe. So if you aren't fearing sleeplessness, if you aren't trying to escape it, and you're being okay with being awake, that is the quickest way to recover from insomnia, because you're teaching your brain that you aren't fearing it and that you are okay. If you want to learn more about how to overcome insomnia, make sure to click the link in my description for the free one-on-one beta coaching program that I am holding. I only have one spot left for my coaching program, so make sure that you click the link in my description, fill out the form, and you could be the one lucky person. Now, at this point in the video, you might be wondering if your sleep system is broken. That's why I recommend watching this video next, or you might enjoy this one as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!